Zigzag Pow Kids.
Hi kids! Let's learn about colors! Come on! Apple bouncing, balloon fly, red car rolling, passing by, up and down and side to side. Red is dancing, full of pride. Blue fish swimming left and right, blue ball bouncing in our sight. Soft blue clouds up in the sky, floating gently, drifting by. Sunny sun with glowing light, yellow banana shining bright. Little stars that sparkle high, twinkling in the happy sky. Froggy hop and leaf spin round, green ball rolling on the ground. Hop and roll and spin so free, green is fun for you and me. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange shining too. Clap your hands and sing along, colors make a happy song. Orange, orange, round and sweet, bouncing to the happy beat. Orange butterfly, flap, 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 floating softly, clap, clap, clap. Orange black wiggle side to side, orange colors full of pride. Orange, orange, bright and fun, shining like the setting sun. Pink flowers sway so slow, side to side we go, go, go. Pink ice cream, cold and sweet, dancing to the music beat. Pink toy car, wiggle, wiggle, zoom, driving round the happy room. Pink, pink, soft and bright, smiling in the gentle light. Purple grapes wobble round, little bounce without a sound. Purple kite, fly up high, floating softly in the sky. Purple teddy, wave hello, move your arms nice and slow. Purple, purple, bright and cool, dancing in our color school. Orange, pink and purple bright, dancing in the rainbow light. Wave your hands and stomp your feet, move your body to the beat. La la la, come and sing, happy hearts go ding ding ding.
Hi kids! We hope you liked the video. Press the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Bye-bye!